Good morning, California. Kevin Oliver here, your real estate broker. And today we're talking about a word that really confuses a lot of buyers and sellers. Escrow. Escrow is a neutral third-party process that basically holds funds, coordinates paperwork, and makes sure that every part of your deal is handled legally and securely. Now, during escrow, the title gets cleared, inspections are done and reviewed, loan documents are finalized, and the home officially changes hands. Now, my role as your broker is to manage that timeline, catch red flags early, and keep everything moving so your deal closes on time and stress-free. DM me the word escrow, ESCROW, and I'll send you a step-by-step breakdown of the process so you know exactly what to expect from start to finish. Now that's your Monday Momentum from Good Morning California, where we simplify the process one step at a time.